If someone gave you 8 different AI tools and told you they could all do the same thing, you'd probably believe them, until one writes a novel, another builds your website, one creates a movie from a sentence, and another somehow answers your question before you even finish asking it. And suddenly people are making movies with Sora and artwork with Midjourney. So, are these all just different versions of the same AI, or does each one have a completely different job? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what every major AI is built for, and which one is actually worth using. ChatGPT. Imagine hiring one employee who can write your emails, explain difficult homework, help you code, plan a holiday, brainstorm business ideas, translate languages, and even tutor you through calculus. That's essentially what ChatGPT was designed to be. Created by OpenAI, ChatGPT is the all-purpose AI assistant. Instead of focusing on one skill, it tries to be good at almost everything involving language and reasoning. It can write, analyze, solve problems, generate code, organize information, and even help you think through complex decisions. That's why ChatGPT became the AI most people use every day. If you're not sure which AI to start with, this is usually the safest choice because it's designed to adapt to whatever task you throw at it. Gemini. What if your AI already knew where your documents are, what emails you received today, what's on your calendar, and could even understand the photo you just took? That's the idea behind Gemini. Built by Google, Gemini isn't just a chatbot. It's an AI designed to work across Google's entire ecosystem. It can understand text, images, audio, and video at the same time, while connecting with apps like Gmail, Google Docs, Drive, and Maps. If ChatGPT feels like hiring a smart assistant, Gemini feels like giving Google's entire workspace a brain. Claude. Have you ever opened a 300-page document and thought, there's no way I'm reading all of this? Claude was practically built for that exact problem. Created by Anthropic, Claude specializes in reading huge amounts of information without losing context. It's known for thoughtful answers, careful reasoning, and long conversations that stay organized instead of forgetting what happened earlier. Researchers, students, lawyers, and writers often choose Claude because it excels at analyzing reports, editing writing, and explaining complicated ideas with remarkable clarity. If ChatGPT is the multi-tool, Claude is the careful analyst. Perplexity. When you search Google, you usually spend more time opening websites than actually getting your answer. Perplexity changes that. Instead of giving you 10 blue links, it searches the internet, reads multiple sources, combines the information, and tells you where everything came from. That means it's not trying to replace ChatGPT. It's trying to replace traditional search. If your question depends on today's news, recent research, or live information, Perplexity is often one of the fastest ways to find it. DeepSeek. Here's something that shocked the entire AI industry. One of the world's most powerful AI models didn't come from OpenAI, Google, or Microsoft. It came from DeepSeek. Developed in China, DeepSeek gained worldwide attention after producing models that rival leading AI systems while being remarkably efficient. It quickly became popular among programmers thanks to its strong coding abilities and open approach to AI development. DeepSeek proved that the next breakthrough in artificial intelligence doesn't always come from the biggest tech company. Midjourney. What if you could describe a picture that doesn't exist and watch it appear in less than a minute? That's exactly what Midjourney does. Unlike ChatGPT, Midjourney doesn't answer questions. It creates images. Type an astronaut walking through ancient Rome during sunset, and it can generate artwork that looks like it came from a professional digital artist. Today, it's widely used for concept art, book covers, posters, marketing, game design, and social media content because it transforms imagination into visuals almost instantly. Sora. Imagine writing just one sentence. A golden retriever surfing on giant waves at sunset. Instead of giving you a picture, the AI creates an entire moving video. That's Sora. Developed by OpenAI, Sora is a text-to-video model that understands motion, lighting, physics, and camera movement. Rather than generating a single image, it predicts how every frame should change over time, creating scenes that often look surprisingly realistic. It's one of the biggest steps towards turning simple ideas into complete videos. Veo. Now imagine taking that idea even further. What if the AI understood cinematic camera movements, realistic lighting, dramatic shots, and professional filmmaking techniques? That's Google's Veo. Like Sora, Veo creates videos from text prompts, but it's heavily focused on producing cinematic footage with greater creative control, making it especially appealing for filmmakers, advertisers, and professional creators. Instead of simply generating clips, Veo aims to make AI-generated videos feel like they were filmed by an experienced camera crew. Just a few years ago, one AI could barely answer simple questions. Today, one AI writes books, another searches the web, another reads entire libraries, another paints like an artist, and another creates films from a single sentence. The biggest mistake isn't choosing the wrong AI. It's expecting every AI to do the same job. Once you know what each one was built for, you stop asking, which AI is the best, and start asking, which AI is best for this task. And as these tools keep improving, that answer may change faster than anyone expects.